Hey besties! So today we are going to do a quick Enail Couture unboxing. Not a super big one, but there were a couple of goodies that I wanted to try out. So I am loving these boxes. They are so freaking cute. Love it. Pink with the gold accents. Oh, it's everything. Matches my aesthetic perfectly. Look at all the goodies. Okay, so they threw in a ton of those little mini bling pots. I love these. And I was looking over it. They sent them all in order, which I thought was really cool. So I got 81 through 85. Again, those were all freebies. So thank you very, very much for those. I always love these. Seriously. They have very good quality rhinestones bling in it, so if you get these, don't be sleeping on them. They are very good quality. Look at how pretty those black ones are. Gosh. Then you got this nice little mix with some pearls in it. I love the big chunky blings for like clusters. I don't really buy chunky bling, so getting them in these pots, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Then I have it for when I do want to do it. Okay, and then I picked out this. This is a multicolor carousel, I think is what he calls it. But it's got a bunch of different like pointed back ones for doing clusters, all that good stuff. They are so pretty. They have like an opal effect to a lot of them. Super freaking pretty. Then I got some PIXIE crystals. These are pointed back too. I actually want to use these in some aquarium nails. So they're not like the caviar beads. They kind of look like it, but they do have the pointed back like these little rhinestones that I got. And again, I think they will be absolutely perfect for some aquarium nails. Then I got these super cute luxury handbag stickers, I think is what he called them. Got them in two different sizes, but they were both the same price. I thought that was a little weird, but I did want to grab, both sizes to see the difference. Only $1. Gotta love it. Then we got some more stickers. I like these ones. They're like, some of them are like bondage. Those ones remind me of like Ariana Grande. Then you got some little booty ones. Some handcuffs. Super cute. I think these are very cute. And I've never seen these anywhere else. Not this particular sheet, at least. Then I got this super cute fluorescent pink. It's like a mix of a bunch of different stuff. There's like the peace sign, the heart, the butterflies. There's ones that say LA. There's like even some inappropriate words you can see there at the top. But it's got like the praying hands, the smiley faces, the roses. I just thought it was really cute. And he's got these in a couple different colors. And this is what I was really excited about, is the short duck nail, the full cover tips. Look at how cute. And they're etched on the bottom side. Oh my goodness. I have been looking for good full cover duck nails. And when you get towards the free edge of the nail, the way the duck nails are made, a lot of them will not sit right on your nail bed if you have a C curve. If you have flat nail beds, they sit a lot better. I have natural C-curved nails. So to find duck nails that would actually, sit on my nail right, even using like a bubblegum gel to get it to where the glue actually reaches the free edge of my nail correctly, was kind of a struggle. So very excited about these. And the sizes are good. I used a size 3 on my thumb, which is crazy. And I didn't have to do like much altering around like the epinicium cuticle area, which I liked. I did on kind of the other fingers, but my thumbnail is a lot more like squared off, whereas my other fingers are a little more rounded. But that is not a big deal at all. But yeah, I'll show you guys the size 1. It is big. Big, big, big. So if you have larger thumbnail beds, these would be perfect. And you can even, if you're not big on duck nails, you could bring in the sides to where it doesn't even really look like a duck nail. You can make it look like a square nail. Just a thought, but yeah, great size. As you can see, that 0 is huge. Big nail. And I just thought the length of these were so perfect. It's like the exact size as the other nails that I'm wearing. Just a little bit longer. Oh, I'm so excited. I absolutely, these are hands down the best duck nail full cover tips I have found yet. Then I got this gel. It's number 229. It's just from his regular gel polish collection. But this super pretty pink glows in the dark. And the glow is so freaking pretty. It almost glows like, at first, as it starts to fade, it looks kind of like the yellowish green, like the common glowing color. But right when you pull it out, it glows so bright, it almost looks white. Look at that. Ugh, I love this polish. And it's another one of them with the bubblegum smell, that sweeter smell. So freaking pretty. So yep, again, that is number 229 from his gel polish collection. And I will leave as much of this listed down in the description for you guys too. So be sure to check that out. If you do want to pick up any of this, I will leave my discount code down in the description for you guys as well. That will save you 25%. And then I got 2 of the quick 1-second nail glues. I just figured these are good to have on hand, and they're under $1. They were like 60 or 80 cents. I can't remember, but okay. So to do some nails, look at how cute. Oh my gosh. I love these duck nails. So I'm just using his clear bubblegum gel to apply these. I did go in around the eponychium and kind of bend the nail tip just because I do have, like I said, more of a natural C curve to my nails. I like to make sure that the full cover tip is going to fit nice and snug around the eponychium or cuticle area. Sometimes a lot of these nail tips, like I said, will be a lot more on the flatter side, but these ones, I like them a lot. A lot. The length is perfect. They're not overly flared. I like how they are more of the like sharp, squared off duck nail. I do bring them in a little on the side. I know many of you know this already. I used to be obsessed with like duck nail, flared nails. That's all I used to get. Not as flared as what these are. These are a little intense, a little crazy, a little more flared than I would normally get. But I did want to try them out just as is and see what I thought of them. But in a future video, I will bring them in a little more and show you guys like how I would have normally wore them, which I'm sure a lot of you guys will prefer that if you are not a fan of like the duck nail. It kind of looks like a squared nail, but with just a slight flare to it. They actually are very flattering if done right. But enough of me rambling on. As you can see, I went in with some of the base from Nail Reserve LA. I'm just going to apply a coat of that to all my nails now that they are all applied, filed, and buffed. And then I will cure that for 60 seconds.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity.
I was so excited about this color. I do. It's from Madame Glam. It is part of the Jessica Biel collection. Oh my goodness. This nude is so freaking pretty. I love jelly nudes. Absolutely love, love, love a jelly nude. So I do apply 2 coats of this to all the nails, curing only for 30 seconds in between, just because it is jelly, very translucent, cures very, very quickly. But it is so pretty. Look at that. It's like the perfect nude. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I would wear them just like this. Seriously, so freaking pretty. Okay, so then I'm going to come in with the Madame Glam June collection, the Neon Unity. I did Love Wins on half the nail, just on the tip right there. I did not cure. Then I came in with Empower, the orange one, and I'm going to get it right up there next to it. Again, only applying to that little top quarter section of the nail. Once I have it applied, I'm going to take my ombre brush, and I'm going to blend. When I'm dragging it down, I do wipe in between though. That is very important. You want to wipe your brush in between. Don't want to be dragging it through when it's all soaking wet. So I just lightly blend that down the nail. And then once I have that how I like it, I will go in between the 2 colors and just ombre them together. Once I have it blended how I like, I will cure that for 60 seconds. And going on to the next nail, you just take the last color you use on the nail and bring it over to the next nail, using it for the first half. It'll kind of make more sense as you watch as I go along. So the Empower again, and then Neon Honey. I did apply to the full nail this time, and I do take my Madame Glam detailer brush just to get in around the cuticle eponychium area to make sure that it is applied nice and evenly. Look at how pretty. They blend so nice. Ugh. And again, once I have that how I like it, I will cure that for 60 seconds. So again, I apply to the full nail for this one, starting off with the Neon Honey, and then I go on to Sizzling Lime, which is a super pretty green. But yeah, as you can see, I'm going in with my detailer brush just to get nice and tight in there. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys watch me apply this. It's pretty straightforward. I apply gel to the full nail on my pointer, middle, and pinky. And then on my thumb and my ring finger, I do the Frenchie. So I will let you guys watch this and I will pop back in a minute.
You look worried, and maybe you should be, cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out, cause I'm the worst player that ever won't play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. Oh, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. Oh, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt.
Oh my gosh, I love this collection. Seriously, it was so pretty. Then I'm going to use G10. It is the unicorn gel. This was from the May charm box. It was limited to the charm box only. I'm praying to God they bring this one out though, because it is my absolute favorite topper I have ever had. It is so pretty, and the fact that it is a reflective topper, oh my gosh. It's seriously everything. It is so pretty just on its own, but then you hit it with like the flash. Whew! Absolutely beautiful. And I was gonna bling these out and add charms and all that good stuff, but I don't know. I just liked how simple they were, but effective at the same time. So I ended up just leaving them like this. I just thought they were super pretty just on their own. So I do apply my no wipe top coat from Nail Reserve LA to all my nails. I gave that a 60-second cure, and that was it for this nail set. Super easy, super cute. Anybody could do this ombre. I really like the vertical ombre. I think it is so pretty, but effective, like I said. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I will leave everything from the video listed down in the description for you guys, along with my discount code. So be sure to take advantage of that. Check that out. But that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!